Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft ice candy mango flavor. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh, ripe mangoes, a can of condensed milk, and some all-purpose cream for that rich, smooth texture. Don't forget sugar, clean water, and the special ice candy plastic bags. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, we'll prepare our star ingredient, the mangoes. Carefully peel and dice your ripe mangoes into small, manageable pieces. Then, blend them with just a little water until you achieve a perfectly smooth puree. For the best soft ice candy, strain this puree to ensure there are no stringy fibers, giving you a wonderfully silky base. Now it's time to create that irresistible creamy mixture. In a large bowl, combine your smooth mango puree with the condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Stir everything together gently. Taste the mixture and add sugar as needed, adjusting to your preferred level of sweetness. Make sure all ingredients are thoroughly blended for a consistent flavor. Finally, let's get these delicious treats ready for the freezer. Carefully pour the mango mixture into your ice candy plastic bags, filling them about 2/3 full. Squeeze out any excess air before tying each bag securely. Lay them flat in your freezer and let them chill for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Enjoy your homemade soft mango ice candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.